everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making Mississippi pot roast, and our ingredients are naturally roast. These are some small roast, but we couldn't get a big one at our small grocery store that we have to go to since we're still mostly sheltering in place. And also I got ranch dressing goes with it. And then onion soup mix, and let me see if I can pronounce this right, peperoncini, peppers, beef broth, and butter, and salt, and black pepper. So let me get started on this meal, and we're having it for our Saturday night dinner tonight. And so let me get started on this easy crock pot meal. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get my roast out. Okay, throw this away. Okay, now I'm going to pat my roast dry. This pan, and get my pan hot over here. I'm going to pat my roast dry. Move that aside and pat the other side. Okay. I think they're all dry now. Okay. Now I'm going to put my salt and black pepper on my roast. Okay, now then I'm going to put my roast over in my pan and sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, I'm going to brown this roast about 2 or 3 minutes, putting it in a hot skillet. Put some salt on this side now. If you want to, you can also sear the sides, but I'm not going to do that today. Sear that. Now I'm going to do my other roast. Salt. I'm also going to salt this one and pepper it.
Marie, you making this Mississippi pot roast for me tonight?
I sure am.
Sure those look good. I can't wait. What we're going to have for sides to go with it?
We're going to have creamed potatoes and green beans.
Oh, that's going to be a wonderful meal.
And
it's going to be a wonderful meal.
And strawberry shortcake.
That's going to be a great dessert. You're going to spoil me, girl.
Well, okay. Now I got both of my roast browned and salt and peppered. So I'm going to move them over here and put them in the crock pot. Okay, now I'm going to put my roast in my crock pot. This would have been so much simpler if I had the right size roast, but they didn't have them. Okay. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. Hands off just a little bit. Okay. Now then I'm going to be putting in my beef onion soup mix. And you can also use this in it if you want to, but I'm using this today. So let me sprinkle this on it. You can smell those spices. Okay. Now then I'm going to be adding my ranch salad dressing mix. And I cut that, but I didn't cut it deep enough. Okay. Whoops. Okay, now I'm going to add it. Now then I'm going to put in my peppers. Okay. The cameraman must have opened them up before. Okay. Okay. Probably going to put in, I've seen people make this before, and some people use about the whole jar. But I think I'm going to put in about 8 or 9 of them. Okay. And I'm going to put just a little bit of this juice in it. Oops. Okay. And you can put a half a cup of water in it, but I'm going to put beef broth in mine. Okay. And the reason that I'm doing this is we want to have a lot of gravy with ours. Okay, and now I'm going to put this stick of butter on top of it. going to cook this low for about 8 to 9 hours. And this is going to be really good. And it's also going to, I'm going to serve it over cream potatoes, and I just can't wait for it to get done. So let me put the top on, turn my pot on, and it's going to be making my house smell great all day today. My Mississippi pot roast has been cooking for 8 hours now, and I already have my sides made. I'm going to pull it apart, and then I'll service up a plate. It's really tender, that's for sure. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put some of my pot roast on my cream potatoes. That really looks good. Okay, now then I'm going to do the taste test. That is really delicious. The meat is really tender, and you can taste that pepper juice in it, and it is really yummy. Calvin, you are really going to love this. So do what you love and love what you do. And bye.